Good afternoon, friends. Today is the birthday of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. He was born on 17 September 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat, to a lower middle class family. He has proved that success has nothing to do with caste, creed, or where a person belongs to. In the Lok Sabha, he represents Varanasi constituency and considered as a master strategist of his party. Since 2014, he is the Prime Minister of India, and prior to this, he has served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat state from 2001 to 2014. He is a ray of hope in the lives of billions of Indians and one of the most popular leaders who mostly focuses on development. Even the slogan of our Prime Minister, "Main bhi Chaukidar," focuses on the dignity of labor and aims to take the support of working class. Further, he emphasized that every Indian who is fighting for corruption, dirt, social evils, etc., for the progress of India is also a Chaukidar. This way, slogan "Main bhi Chaukidar" went viral. A lot of schemes were launched under his leadership for benefit of almost all citizens in India, and few of them are Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana for financial inclusion, Swachh Bharat Mission for better sanitation facility and cleaning public places, Mudra Bank Yojana for banking services for medium and small enterprises, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana to provide skill training to the young workforce, Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana to strengthen rural infrastructure, Make in India to enhance the manufacturing sector, Garib Kalyan Yojana to address the welfare needs of the poor, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana for financial empowerment of the girl child, Pade Bharat, Bade Bharat to enhance children's reading, writing and mathematical skills, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana provides LPG to family living as BPL, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is a scheme that provides insurance against crop failure, Atal Pension Yojana is a scheme for unorganized sector employees, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana scheme provides insurance against accidents, and many more schemes which has benefited the country. In the international front, he created a good image of India with many countries and also garnered support against Pakistan and China. His leadership is instrumental in bringing India in the world map. We wish that Modi ji continue to make India proud in coming years also.